Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create and send account statements to your client. So in the event you have a client with several outstanding invoices, you can send them a very professional, concise statement in literally a few clicks. So from the dashboard, you're going to click on Reports. You're going to go over to Accounts Receivable. And on the filter drop down up here, where you can filter by client or job, you're just going to find the client or select the client. So in this case, I'm going to click John Smith, and that's it. So now it's going to show me all of John Smith's total unpaid revenue or invoices, how long they've been outstanding, broken down by invoice number and amount. And right from here on the top right, export. And you can just send it to him directly. So when you send the email to the client, they're going to get a nice PDF just like this, broken down with all their invoices and amounts, just like that. So that's going to save you a lot of time and headaches right there. If you have any questions, please reach out, and hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks.